Let's talk about analog sensors. Analog sensors and discrete sensors are two types of the input for the automation process. Analog sensors offers the opportunity and the capacity to continuously derive information from the physical system and extract the data. Sometimes this accuracy is met with some noise throughout the extraction process. Some examples of analog sensors are: for temperature measurements, thermocouples; for force measurements, strain gauges; for light measurement, photodiodes; for sound measurements, microphones; for pressure measurement, piezoelectric. And for each different physical characteristic, one can imagine we have different types of analog sensors capable of deriving the information and input it towards the manufacturing process. And that's what analog sensors are.